Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rahema. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Rahema Robi Chacha. And guys, if you're seeing this face for the first time, please consider subscribing, guys, because I have a lot of amazing content that you haven't watched. So please go to my YouTube channel, look for Rahema Robi, and please watch the remaining 58 videos, guys, that you haven't watched. Please give me positive comments and what positive comments and remember to share. Remember to share my videos. Plus everything is just gonna be super amazing, super cool. So guys, please remember to subscribe. So I'm gonna give you a count 1 to 3, then remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in the count of 1, 2, 3, remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for the people who subscribed. So guys, today I want to give you a very amazing tour. I'm gonna take you to my kitchen garden, and you people, you're gonna love it. So guys, come and show you how the environment is looking like right now. You can see it's so sunny and the weather is super amazing, guys. Look at how the sun is so bright. It's even burning my face. Oh my god. So first of all, I want us to rinse this basin here, because I'm gonna use this one to get the vegetable from the behind. So this is our tank. Come and show you where we get water. Yeah, this is where we get our water. I don't know, where did I put the key? The key. Yeah. We normally close there because people misuse the water. So we open it. Just needed a few. I want to rinse this basin because this is where I'm going to put my vegetables. Yeah, so guys, come and show you. Today I'm giving you a tour. Yeah, just come. That's my neighbor's house, and show them. That's my neighbor's house. You can see they got cows. I don't know if they can see the cows. Come and show them on the side. Yeah, the cows there. Yeah, the cows, and yeah, she's living a very cool life. Like, everything's just super amazing. So guys, come and take you to my kitchen garden. Here we are. Come. Surprise, guys, this is the backyard. This is the back of our house. So this is where we get our vegetables. We can give them a tour of how it's looking like. This is tomato plant. Yeah, it's coming out. These are some tomatoes. Yeah, and this is that how we call it. We call it mrenda. Like, the soup comes out like mucus. Yeah, it's coming out like mucus. Come. This one here looks like kale. It's looking like kale. Actually, it's not. It's a type of vegetable. And here we have our vegetables. Yeah, here we have our vegetables. So guys, imagine these vegetables with meat soup. It's so sweet. It's super amazing. Like, these vegetables, they contain a lot of vitamins, and the moment you take with the soup of meat, which is proteins, then you add ugali. We call it ugali. It's made from maize flour. It comes out so amazing. But people use fufu. As we don't take fufu here in Kenya, we use maize flour. Guys, you can see my cat is running away. Okay, that's my neighbor. this is how the backyard of our building is looking like. You can see these are our neighbors. You can see they have planted maize. That's actually maize. Then they have planted how do you call them? That is mangoes. Yeah, mango tree. Yeah. So that's what it's looking like. And here we still have some maize coming up. Yeah. This is our maize plant coming up. Yeah. So I want us to start by plucking the vegetables one by one. So this is how we get them out. You don't cut it like this. You only need the leaf. So you get rid of this one. Guys, they're almost done, so let's get the vegetables. I need a handful of these. You don't have to pluck it the whole. So this one, you also cut them like this, but you still have to remove the leaves. You can't cook them with the stems, so we remove the leaves. Remove the leaves like this. You can see the middle. We call them pigweeds. These are the seeds that are coming out. Now we use this one here to plant them again, but that one is not a try. So not yet there. So we need more. I've got the biggest one. This one also we remove the leaves like this. I think this is enough because I don't need a lot. I just need a few like this. Just like this. This one is enough because I don't really take a lot of this. I just wanted a handful, so you need to wash this one and cut them. Okay, so here we have our vegetables. You can see how they're looking like. So let's go wash them, and we have to cut them. So let's go. This is a lemon tree. It smells so good. the leaves of the onions. Then this one here is avocado tree, though that I don't know why it's infected. I don't know, like I don't know why it's turning that color. So here we're just washing them. So guys, we have to cut these vegetables into smaller pieces. Then after this, we're gonna boil. After boiling, we have to use onions and tomatoes and milk to prepare the vegetables. Then they're going to come out so nicely. Guys, I'm still afraid of this knife, but let's finish. You can see it's looking like. So guys, let me wash my hands. As you can see, my vegetables are ready. So the next thing is just to put them in my sufuria. I have my sufuria here. Just put them here and boil them until they become like they become soft. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for coming with me from the beginning of the video up to the end of this video. I want to appreciate you so much. And I want to say thank you so much for my returning subscribers, for the people who always come in to watch my videos, no matter what, at any time they get the notification because they're subscribed in. I just want to give you a very, very big thank you. And also guys, I just wanted to let you know that very soon I'm gonna create a membership group for you people to join so that I can be giving you videos for members only, and you're gonna get some special budget. How do they call them? Mishap. You're gonna get some special rewards from there if you get subscribed to the membership, and I will appreciate you so much guys. So please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe. And guys, I've posted so many videos lately that some of the live that were private and I decided to unlock them. So if you haven't watched the live, please go do So guys, before like I start cooking, also I want to say I have around I think 8, we're heading to 90 videos that are there. I want you to ask yourself a question: have I watched these young ladies videos, like all of them? Oh my god, guys, the previous videos that you haven't watched are so super amazing compared to these ones that I'm uploading now, because you know right now I just want to follow the community guidelines of YouTube. So that's why I'm trying to be, you know, I know you understand what I'm saying, but still I'm gonna entertain you guys. I want to entertain my viewers, and I want you people to really enjoy my content. And please guys, keep on giving me positive comments, and remember to subscribe. Guys, share my videos, and welcome to Kenya. Remember to visit Kenya. Kenya is a very nice country. You can see it has very beautiful ladies. So guys, please, thank you so much. And again, I want to appreciate you and say a very big a very big thank you. So guys, I'm sorry, I don't know, that knife was really sharp. It really caught my hand, my finger somewhere here. Yeah, and I thank God it not like bleed. So that's why when I was recording the video, you saw me doing, yeah, the knife actually caught up with me, but it did not like you know, peel the skin, but I felt it coming. So that's why if you come to my kitchen guys, you look at the rest of the knife, they're not that sharp, okay? They're usually like very blunt. Like, I fear sharp knives. Like anything sharp, I just get afraid of it. Like, oh my god, I just hate seeing blood. Yeah, that's why like this knife here is new, so using it really became so hard because I had to be careful. So next time I'm gonna be so careful. So guys, keep on enjoying my content, keep on watching me all over the country. That's my favorite point. And when I see people watching me from the USA, from UK, from Germany, from Brazil, and which is the other country? I'm forgetting it. It's from the Caribbean. Yeah, I just want to say thank you, and thank you so much for my team, Rehema. You know, the people who love just watching me, and I just want to say thank you. They're just saying thank you, and guys, feel so much appreciated, feel so much love, because imagine someone taking his time watching a video from the start up to the end. That is a very big blessing. Like for me, it's a blessing, and I know we're gonna receive more and more blessings. Guys, don't forget to give me a super thank at the messages at the comment section. Don't forget to give me super thanks, super chats, and everything. Yes, please don't forget. Okay, if you wanna do so, go do it right now, and I will appreciate you. Thank you so much, guys. I love you as always. Bye.